Hello stars, welcome back to my channel Taste Bakings. Today's tutorial is on how to make edible blood. Yep, you don't need human blood, you can use edible blood. You are going to be needing your water, a little bit amount of it, your flour. You are going to be mixing this in thoroughly because we don't need all those little flour clots. And if this is your first time on my channel, please do not leave here without subscribing. Then I proceeded to add my cocoa powder, of course, because blood is not just a sharp red, it's quite of a deep red. Just like this. This is how your blood will look after adding your red food coloring. And yep, this looks so bloody. Like I said, you don't need animal blood or human blood, you got edible blood. As you can see, it looks so real on my skin, and that was exactly the plan. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.